How you doing, Ralfy? Ralfy Customs. We're back on the Triton featherbed styly thing. So yeah, we've got it stood proud. We're going to do the rear. Just a quick one today. We're going to do the rear seat section bit. So I'm going to get the tank on, taped on. We've not got the mounts for the tank, and in there as well. In that box we've got the foot pegs, but I'm not going to be doing that today. I don't think. We'll be waiting for Lee to come and have a look. So I'll get his tacked on, get it all set up, and I'll send him a couple of photos, pretty much. That's how it's going to go. Alright, so basically, if we're trying to emulate the style of the originals, there's a few different ones. There's one that has a straight rail, and then a curved. There's one that has a big loop. There's one that has a big loop around the back of the frame, and then straight rails. There's fucking all sorts. So I've gone, fuck it. I've used the standard, not the standard, what am I saying? I've used this as a fucking template. This is our Lee's seat base that he's got. And I've made a fucking tube that fits. I can't remember which way up, because fucking none of this is equal. There you go, fits like that, fucker. I'm having that like that. That fits like that. It might be that way, actually. No, I think you were right the first time. So, yeah. So we're going to have that. And that's going to come up the back, off here, in equal proportions, and lift it up a bit. And then we'll put some side rails in. So we'll get tack in with a big welder. There's a little welder's there having a rest. Big welder's out of fucking storage, thanks to our Dean Chollabobs. Yeah, and crack on. And we've gone with the straight, in keeping with the squareness of the rest of it. Gosh. What I will do, if it sits right, this is Lee approving the sitting right bit. Look, I'll put the seat on for you. I've got it just up at the back, which is very traditional. Just up at the back. And those side rails going very old school, which is how they were. And what I will do is I'll put a plate in behind it and a little plate in the corner. Yeah, all around that swing arm pivot to bolt it on. So, there you go. It's a quick update, as promised. On the old fucking Triton-y doo-dary. Happy days. Stay tuned for further instalments.